How to connect Wix to Claude AI. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Claude AI and make sure that you are signed into your Claude AI, and if not, then sign yourself in. Now, tap on the Customize option on the left side toolbar and you will see the option for Connect Your Apps. So tap on it and then tap on the search bar you see there and search for Wix. Further, tap on the plus icon you see there right beside Wix and you will now be required to sign yourself in to your Wix account in order to complete the connecting process. So go ahead and sign in to your Wix account by entering your login credentials. And with this, once you are completed with the sign-in process and once you agree to the terms and conditions of Claude AI to your Wix account, you will be successfully connected to Wix. So this was about how you can connect Wix to Claude AI. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.